I'm checking the batteries. Okay. Second weekend, Saturday night.
And you have mass. And the mass is already there, and gravity, because the object is already there, and the speed of its being already there. Its wave is already there.
Good question. That's why the wave itself is a kink in the field. So if you imagine if somebody some giant grabbed the sun and shook it, then you can imagine while the sun is displaced from where it is, it would generate a field slightly off center.
Yes.
And that would create a kink relative to the field that was already there.
Something that would be measurable. I get that, but nobody does that for us. They don't shake the sun. So.
No, but what happens is, and one of our key sources in LIGO to look for is two black holes spinning around each other. And as they spin around each other, they shake each other. I mean, that's what you mean by going around each other. They're moving relative to each other. And in fact, what happens is they orbit decays, we talked about before, the gentleman that asked the question about light, and they decay faster and faster and faster and faster until they crash into each other, and they're really going fast at that point, and they've generated a lot of gravity waves, and that's one of our key sources, that so-called last moment of in-spiral, where the two gravity waves annihilate each other.
And that we've actually been able to measure, and so we can say with some confidence that...
No, we haven't done that yet. That's the sources that we're trying to quantify, and we have some kind of idea, some kind of guess, and now we're trying to measure. That's what this experiment is about, is to try and measure that, and once and for all nail it down. And that'll tell us a lot about the nature of those sort of collisions, and therefore the nature of the black hole.
Absolutely fascinating. All right, hold on, Professor. Professor Anthony Rizzi is my guest. He wrote a book, by the way, called The Science Before Science, a guide to thinking in the 21st century. We'll tell you more about the book and how you can grab one and begin to understand some of the concepts you've been hearing about tonight. In the middle of that darkness we talk so much about. This is Coast to Coast.